Hello everyone, this is the chapter number 12 from class 8 friction, and in the previous session you have learned force of friction, for factors affecting friction, cause of friction and types of friction. So today you are going to learn friction is useful. Then how the friction is useful, this I am going to teach today. Now see here, if you see all these pictures, and the first picture is about holding a glass in hand. These men are walking on a street. Here a person is writing with a pen and holding a pen properly. Here a student is also writing on a board with the chalk. The car is moving on a road and this construction site. Now see here, so all these are the daily activities where the friction is most useful. And this friction, here the point is given, friction is sometimes useful. Yes, so friction is sometimes useful also and sometimes it is not useful also. Now how the friction is useful in our daily activity. So here you can see a tumbler. So we can hold a tumbler in our hand just because of friction, because there is a friction in between the hand and the tumbler. If there is no friction, then we cannot hold it properly. Now here you can see these persons are walking on the ground, so there is a friction between the feet and the ground, and this friction helps the person to walk easily on the ground. So here also the friction is useful for walking. Here the friction is useful for holding a glass or holding anything or any object. Now here see, writing is possible because of friction. Because of friction we can hold a pen in our hand, or we can hold pencil, or we can hold paper, and just because of friction, by holding pen or pencil we can write something on the paper. So it is possible to write with a pen, pencil on a paper due to the friction between the pen and pencil and paper. Now it is possible to write on a blackboard due to the friction. So here the student is writing on a blackboard with the help of chalk. It is possible because of the friction, because there is a friction on the board and in the chalk. Now friction between the tires. Here you can see in the picture the tires which are in contact with the road. So the tires and road, there is a friction in between them, and this friction helps the automobiles to move on road. Now friction between the bricks helps. Friction between the bricks helps in the construction of the building. Here you can see the construction site is shown. So where the building is under construction, so bricks are kept one upon other, and these bricks are just they are used in the construction site, and these bricks helps the construction of the building because there is a proper friction, and with the help of friction it is possible. Now here you can see friction is sometimes undesirable. Undesirable means which is not useful. So the friction is sometimes undesirable. Undesirable means which we don't want. So here if you see the first picture, here the soles of the shoes is shown, and these soles of the shoes wear out due to the friction. Here you can see it is wear out due to the friction. So here the friction is not good. If you see the tires, all these tires of the bicycle or automobiles, any vehicle, all the tires get wear out because of the friction. Here this is the staircase, and in the staircase you can see the many steps are there, and the steps of the staircase and the foot over the bridges. Even in railway station also you have seen the staircase. So the foots over the bridges in the railway station also wear out due to the friction. And here the picture of knives and razors are shown. So the knives and razors also lose their sharp edges. Now all these are the knives. Even these knives, when they lose the sharp edges just because of the friction, so here they become blunt because of friction. So in this all these activities, the friction is not good, the friction is undesirable. Increasing friction. Now how the friction can be increased? Now see here, the soles of the shoes are shown, the tires are shown, all this here the person, gymnastic person is shown. So all these instrument and vehicle models are shown here. So now the friction can be increased. How the friction can be increased? So by increasing the roughness of the surface in contact. So here you can see the tires surface is rough, soles surface is also rough. So when we increase the roughness of the surface, then the friction can be increased. Soles of the shoes are grooved to have a better grip on the floor. If you see, some designs are made on these soles of the shoes, so that is called as grooved. Now the soles of the soles of the shoes are grooved. Here tires also grooved. So because of this, it helps to get the proper grip on the road and increase the friction. Now brake pads of the vehicles are rough to stop moving vehicles when brakes are applied. If you see the bicycle, there are the brake pads, and those brake pads are rough in the nature, and when we apply the brakes, then those brake pads helps to stop the moving vehicles because they are rough, so they increase the friction, and when the friction would get increased, bicycle gradually becomes slow. Gymnasts apply some coarse substance on their hand for better grip. Now this gymnast apply coarse substance. Coarse substance means rough substance on their hand for the better grip. Even while playing kabaddi player also applying coarse substance on their hands for the better grip. So here, by making the surface rough, we can increase the friction. Now how can we reduce the friction? So it is opposite to the increased friction. Friction can be reduced. How? By applying the lubricants, means we have to make the surface smooth. So when you apply lubricant like powders or oils or grease, then this area or the surface will become smooth and the friction will get reduced. So these type of instruments are used generally in the machines to run the machine smoothly to reduce the friction. Sometimes we can use rollers also or wheels also, and sometimes we use the ball bearings. These are the ball bearings which are present in the fan also. So these ball bearings also helps to reduce the friction. We sprinkle powder on a carom board to reduce the friction. While playing the carom, we sprinkle some powder on the carom board because it becomes very easy for playing also, because it reduces the friction. Oil grease applied between the moving part of the machine, as I told to all of you, to reduce the friction. And rollers, here you can see, here this luggage bag is there, and this luggage bag is having rollers at the end, downside, at the bottom side. So this luggage bag have rollers which can reduce the friction, and while pulling the bag, the person will feel very easy and light. Now the wheels are used to vehicles to reduce friction. Here the vehicles are having the wheels. Wheels also helps to reduce the friction. And ball bearing, these ball bearings are used in the ceiling fans, bicycles and vehicles. So why these ball bearings are used? Just to reduce the friction. Now this is the last point of the lesson, fluid friction. So what is the fluid friction? You can see here, fluid friction is the force of friction exerted by the liquid and gases on moving object or object moving through them. Here you can see the bird is flying in the air, the fish is swimming in the water, even aeroplane also flying in the air. So the fluid friction is nothing but the force of friction. And who exerts this force of friction? By liquid or by gases or air. Now this fluid friction depends upon the speed of the object and shape of the object, the nature of the fluid. Here examples are given. Birds flying in air have streamlined body to reduce the fluid friction, and fishes living in water have a streamlined body to reduce the fluid friction. aeroplanes and spacecraft. Here the spacecraft is shown. So this aeroplane and this spacecraft have a streamlined body to reduce the fluid friction. So in this way, to reduce the fluid friction, all these objects are having the streamlined body. We can see the what is the streamline. At the end of this they are narrow, but at the middle they are broad. So same structure is for the aeroplane also and the spacecraft also. Thank you.